Hello and welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the unboxing of an iPhone 6 in 2019. A very happy new year to one and all. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as we post a new video. So here's an iPhone 6, the box of an iPhone 6. So let's quickly unbox this iPhone 6 in 2019. So we get the device itself and an instruction booklet with Apple stickers and few instruction manual. Let's keep that aside. And we also get a USB cable, a charger, and the headphones, which I have already removed. So this is the device, the iPhone 6. So this is a 16 GB variant. This is an iPhone 6. So this is what you basically get inside the box of an iPhone 6. So this comes with a paper packing, and even this comes with a paper packing. This is the USB cable, and let's see what's inside this. Also we get a SIM ejector tool along with this. So this says iPhone 6 and it mentions where the sleep or wake button is, ring or silent switch, volume button. It says light to unlock, lightning connector, home button or touch ID sensor. And it says welcome to iPhone. To start, turn on your iPhone by pressing and holding the sleep or wake button. All that is fine. And we get Apple stickers. And we get iPhone information leaflet. This is basically the iPhone user guide. The review the user guide before using the iPhone. Go to help.apple.com to view your device, and it comes with 1 year limited warranty, as it says here. It comes with hearing aid compatibility, HAC, and there are many such information here. So this box is pretty well built, I would say, because it has a raised feeling to it. As you can I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely feel the depth of this print. It actually feels like the iPhone is present here. So let's move on to the device. So this is the device. It comes with aluminum finish with a glossy logo over here, and a single camera setup, and a dual tone flash. So this is the device, guys. This is how an iPhone 6 looks, and this is the unboxing video. So yes, iPhone 6 is pretty much more than sufficient for everyday use, I would say. So yes, it is still worth buying in 2019. So you get the camera is pretty decent, I would say, for this price point. It has all the basic features and works pretty well. So this is the device. Let me keep everything one by one. And we get a charger and the USB cable, the headphones, and we get Apple logo here, and the information leaflet and the booklet cover here. We get the box. It says 16 GB. So this is it. This is all you get along with the device, and the device is pretty sleek, as you can see. It comes with a SIM. You have to put the SIM card here, and this is the power button. it has a home button, and these are the volume rockers, and this is for the silent mode. And on the bottom you get one 3.5mm jack, a microphone, a lightning connector, and the audio jack. So yes, and on the top you have a camera, the ambient sensor, and the earpiece for the call part of it. And this is it. You get speakers only on one part of it, one side, but these are stereo speakers. Actually they sound pretty decent. And that's it for now, guys. We'll be doing a complete review on this iPhone 6 in 2019, the performance part of it and everything. So please stay tuned to our channel. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section below the video. Also please hit on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to get notified as soon as we post a new video. We'll be making a complete review on iPhone 6 and many other devices in 2019, and how they fare against the latest devices such as iPhone XS and other such devices. So please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video and click the thumbs up button if you like the video. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye, and a very happy new year to one and all. Bye bye.